As an architect, my work doesn't end when I deliver the final drawings. I need to supervise that what I have created is going to work in the real life. Today I'm here at one of our projects. This is Remanso area, but the development is called Punta Diamante. So come with me to see how I supervise my projects. Welcome back to my channel. I am Raul Lopez. I am an architect based in San Juan del Sur. I am specialized in bioclimatic architecture, and today I'm going to supervise one of my latest projects that I have designed here in Remanso Beach. Supervision is really important because it's where I triple check that the builder is following our drawings, our specs, our materials, the finishes that we have proposed in order to protect our client of, issues in the future, the quality of materials, because like I said in other videos, my mission as an architect is not selling drawings. My mission is the last experience, the experience that our client is going to have here once they are living in the house. Right now we are in the finishes stage. So as you can see, we are installing the tiles. This is a really nice tile that I like. This looks like a real wood, but it's not, it's a tile. We can say this is a high-end finished. So on the drawings, we put the right place where we are going to start to install the pieces. In this case, the piece number 1 needs to be installed here, as you can see. And this is going to dictate the rest of the finishes. Also, we are using drywall for the interiors, okay? We are using the moist resistant drywall. It's very resistant regarding against the salt of the sea. And yeah, in the previous stages, we were supervising the structure. As you can see, I highly recommend to use trusses. The metal is a cost-effective proposal. Obviously, the core of the house is concrete, okay? We have used reinforced concrete for the ground floor in order to be on budget. And the rest of the house, these walls are M2, okay? M2 is a material very good against the heat, the noise. It consists in 2 metal mesh, okay, besides, and in the middle we have foam, okay? And then we just add concrete, and a special concrete, and obviously at the end we use this smooth finish, okay? And finally we apply the final coat of paint. Over here we are supervising as well the steps of this modern staircase. We have those niches. In those niches we are going to install a special lining, okay? It's a courtesy light. For example, when you are going downstairs at night, you need to use those, okay? We are going to install a very nice light. Right now this is the hall. Okay, we can say in this space we distribute the circulation. Okay, you can go to that private TV room and the balcony. That is going to be in a private storage as well. And if not, you can go to the master suite plus master bathroom. Okay, and right here is one of the best amenities. It's a double height. Okay. So we are supervising today the correct position of the drywall, okay? Also, the correct position of the outlets, if they are following the right wire, okay? This is the wire for the electrical connections. This is a conduit pipe, as well. Also, we are supervising the correct position of the doors, the ceiling. Okay, the ceiling is very important as well. We are going to be using drywall, the moist resistant as well. And also, we have a very good collaboration with the people who is taking care of the execution of the project. We always review the drawings with them. So we are triple checking the measurements, the dimensions, everything. So I have a very good communication with them. They are very good. Also, we are supervising the balcony. The balcony was something really challenging because we are floating almost 3 meters, you know? So this balcony is going to be amazing, especially because we are going to enjoy this beautiful sunset, this beautiful view, and this is the master bedroom. So we are going to enjoy really nice moments right here. And as you can see, the overhang is really extended. It's a really extended balcony, overhang, in order to have a shaded area. Okay, a lot of shaded area, that's really important as well. And in this corner, we are going to enjoy a really nice window with no frame in the corner. That's a really nice feature that I use commonly on my designs. That's a master bathroom. We are going to have here a bathtub area. The bathtub is going to enjoy this really nice view towards Tamarindo side. Okay, that's really nice. But yeah, we are triple checking that the finishes, in this case the floor, is being installed properly. So that was the first floor of the house. We can say the private area. Now let's move to the ground floor to see what's going on there. This is the service area. We can say this is the service area. We have the laundry on my left, the pantry, and on my right we have the bedroom number 2 with its bathroom. So as you can see, the guys are installing the tiles. We were selecting those finishes with the clients, and I really like that the clients come down to the country because it's a really, really important step. So I really love that the client touch and feel the finishes in order to have something aligned with their vision. Today is a noisy day. It's a noisy day. The guys are working on the structure, and this is a very important step, the structure. So our structural engineer designs all the trusses, the balconies, the beams, but here is something important. The structural engineer needs to design aligned to the architecture, because like I said in other videos, the architecture is the skin of the project. So everything which is structural needs to be covered, hidden with the architecture. But yeah, as you can see, this is a really nice double height. You can feel the spaciousness of the room in order to feel the breeze coming from the ocean or coming from the opposite, okay? Because as you know, we love to use the cross ventilation. The cross ventilation effect is the perfect strategy here in this area of Nicaragua. In this side of the house is going to be installed the island over there. So the guys are working on them. Yeah, and this is the staircase coming directly from the first floor. This work needs to be carried out carefully in order to see something really, really, really nice, because this is a high-end house, so the finishes need to be perfect. Over here we have the powder room. another secondary bathroom. And this is a little gym. This is going to be a gym. It's very important. Exercises, you know. And my clients are going to enjoy this beautiful view as well because this is going to be glass. So receiving all the breeze coming from this side of the beach, that's important as well. Okay guys, so as you can see, the workers are taking care of the structure. We need to paint all the metal structure with a special paint because we are very close to the ocean. We are going to have a really nice window right here, no frame in the corner. So that's a really nice feature, like I said. And also we are supervising the installation of this rock. This is a special rock that is only found in this area of San Juan del Sur. For that reason, I really love to use material that is coming from the place that I'm designing, okay? Because this way I'm avoiding a lot of, you know, over budget prices. For example, if I bring another type of stone from Managua, which is the capital of Nicaragua, yeah, I'm saving a lot of money, and it looks like the house has been here from the beginning. Yeah, so this is the pool. The pool is already finished. We are just waiting for the final smooth finish, okay? And the installation of the pumps. So this is going to be a really, really big pool, an infinity pool looking towards Remanso beach. And also over there, we have the outdoor kitchen. Here we are going to enjoy a shallow area where we can put some chairs in order to enjoy the sunset. I have done this before in other projects. It's a really nice picture as well. And over here, like I said, my clients are going to enjoy an outdoor kitchen, okay? With barbecue, beers, tequila, and I don't know, whatever you think you can bring here, you can enjoy here. It's really nice, it's perfect. It's a shaded area. We are going to enjoy a lot of shaded area during the day, during the hard part of the day. I mean, when we are receiving a lot of sun exposure, but obviously we are going to receive the best golden hour over here. So here we can say it's a secondary entrance just for the clients. For example, you have visitors and you don't want to appear suddenly, so you can come. If you are buying your groceries from the town, you use this entrance and going to the laundry and the pantry, and that's it. Finally, we are here in the carport area. This is the housekeeper's suite. And here we have designed a parking area for 2 cars, for 2 pickups. And over here we have the electrical room / battery room, okay? And also a little storage. Over here we are installing the tiles as well, the finishes. For the housekeeper suite, we are using cheaper material, okay? In this area, we are going to install solar panels in the future, okay, on the roof. Most of my clients are living abroad. They cannot take care of their projects, you know, in real time. So that's what I do. I supervise for them, okay? I supervise their projects. I really love to give them reports using videos, drone shots, you know, my camera, in order that they are living the construction in real time, not being here, just through videos and etc. transparently with my best performance as a video creator, as a videographer, you know. And the supervision stage is really, really important, especially when you are not here in the country, you know. Obviously, at some points, my clients need to come, for example, in the finishes stage when we are selecting the appliances as well. Yeah, and this way they are clear about what is going on in this part of the world. If you're planning to build your dream home here in this beautiful place, follow me on my social media. This way you are going to be aware of all the steps you need to carry out to have a really nice home here in Nicaragua. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. This way you will never miss a new video. I post a video every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.